Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.
Hi friends, welcome to a relatively easy chapter on mean, median and mode. I'll explain it to you what it is. Well, in life, whenever a lot of problems come, even though now the world is facing corona, and there are times in life when you don't know what to do, which way to go, right or left, and then you look up to the God, and suddenly the God appears and tells you, my child, I will solve your riddle. The median is always in the middle. And my Indian viewers, हम लोग आजकल महाभारत और रामायण बहुत देख रहे हैं, तो जब भी हम भी परेशान हो जाते हैं तो वो आके कहते हैं भगवान जी कि वत्स न दाएं न बाएं, मीडियन बीच में आए. तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर मीडियन इज द वन विच इज इन द मिडल. What is mode? Most repeated number is mode. I'll give you an example also. But before that, let's deal with mean people. Mean is average. Let's say, now let me come to this thing. Average is like you have different children of different ages. Let me just take out my mobile and let me give you this thing, because it's difficult to remember so many ages with so many naughty children around. I have to find a mean, median and mode of 7 children with different ages. Their age is 5, 1, 3, 6, 4 and 4 and 12. So what do I do? I add up all the numbers. 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6, and I come to a figure of 35. But there are 7 children. So what do? I divide 35 by 7. So their average age is 5. 7 5 is 35. So the average age, just like you do in maths, your exams, when you get marks in all the question papers, you add up all of them and then you take out how much you got in, what is the average you got in each paper. That is this thing, mean. Now, what is the median? Which is the number which is in the middle? Just see, if there are 7 numbers, first you rearrange them. Once you rearrange them, then as you can see, it's 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 12. So which one is the middle? 3 are here, 3 are there, 4 is in the middle. 4. The median is 4. Now, what if these were odd numbers? What if they were even numbers? Let's say if the data set had numbers of like 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are only 4 numbers. How will you find what is in the middle? So what do? You add up all of them. 1 and 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Right? And when you try to take out the average should be around 2.5, but that's not the way to do it. The best way to do it is you add up the second and third number, 2 and 3, that is 5, and then you half them. Then you split the set into 2 equally sized groups. So what happens is, when you add 2 and 3, the answer is 5, and when you halve them, 2.5. So 2.5 would be the median of the data set 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the mode? Mode here is, if you see the ages carefully after rearranging them, 4 has been repeated twice. There are 2 children who have ages of 4. So 4 is the most repeated number. And as you can see now in the animations and the slides behind, where we have to find which is the most repeated number. If you say 6, 8, 5, 7, 7, 4, 3, 7 is the most repeated number. But there are times when there are 2 numbers which are most repeated. Like in this slide, you see 6, 5, 5, 7, 7, 4, 3. Here 5 and 5 and 7 and 7 are repeated twice. If 7 was repeated twice, 7 would have been a most repeated number. But since here both are repeated the same times, 5 is repeated twice, 7 is repeated twice, so there are 2 modes. And in the next slide, if you see, not a single number has been repeated. 6, 1, 5, 9, 7, 4, 3, not a single number has been repeated. So there is no mode. So, and if you can see this is a beautiful poster. If you put this poster in your drawing room, in your bedroom or study room, you just have a look at this and you'll understand what is mean, median, mode and everything. And if you need these posters from us, please, we'll give it to you free of cost. Just ping us on the below numbers and do let us know how you like it, and do listen to our peppy songs of Peppy's theme song of Math Uncle, and do give us your feedback. We are looking forward to you. And that's Rajesh Kalra signing off, your Math Uncle for the day. Bye.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.